As promised. Yeah. Double duty day. Just came in the mail. And yes, I did order it from Amazon. So what? Anyway. This fragrance got a lot of hype. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this fragrance got a lot of hype. So we're going to crack this open. And we're going to see what's going on. This better be good. Or I want my money back from somebody. Somebody will owe me some money, man.
Where's my money? You gonna give me my money?
Let's get into it. What's going on? It's your homie, it's your cousin, it's your player partner, Standing Man, aka the Clone Collector, aka Stanley Smellgood Sr. And we are back with another budget-friendly, blind buy maybe, budget-friendly fragrance. We'll just say that for now since we don't know. But this fragrance has gotten a lot of hype in the TikTok streets. So hopefully it's as good as they say it is, and we're gonna see. So without further ado, let's just crack this thing open. Like I said, man, I've heard a lot of hype about it. Some of the hype be real, you know what I'm saying? But some of it just be that, just hype. The Opulent Dubai thing. Yeah. I heard that this is a clone of God of Fire. Now, although I have never smelled God of Fire, they say, other people say that this is the best clone, dupe, inspiration of God of Fire. So we're gonna see right now. Right now. And as far as the Lattafa Opulent, I guess you can say series, they're pretty much all good except for one of them. I got that red one. Trash. I think that's the only miss that I've smelled from Lattafa. That was trash. It smelled like gasoline, candy, and roses. It was trash. I didn't like it. But yeah, standard velvety box for the Opulent line. That's what we call it, the Opulent line. Standard velvety box. Nice 3D stuck on medallion. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Uh-oh. We got the handy dandy tester strip. Wow. And I got tester strips too. I just like to use that for whatever. I guess it's more room or whatever, but standard shape of the bottle, of the Opulent bottles, but yeah, this is sexy as hell, bro. I just like how this looks. It got like the gold flake on it. This looks like something that should be very expensive, but it's not. I think I paid around $29 for it right now. It was up there in the the 40s when it first came out. So I just waited till the price came down. But standard cap is kind of sturdy. I don't think that you'll be doing this, but you can definitely pick the bottle up, buy the cap. Gold cap, Lattafa logo, got the Opulent lettering around here. This is a really nice bottle. This is like a centerpiece type of bottle. This is nice. So you know how we do. We gonna read what it says it's supposed to be, then we gonna do the first sprays, and then we gonna go on skin, and you know how we do. So I got it pulled up here on Fragrantica. It says that this is a citrus, tropical, fruity, woody, fresh, spicy, sweet, fresh, aromatic, terpenic. That's the first time I heard of that. So, let's see what's going on with it. God of Fire dupe, or the clone, or whatever you want to call it, but I hope it's good. So let's check the atomizer. They might have upgraded them. Not standard, but they push though. So let's see. mango right off the bat. It's definitely sweet as hell. This is unisex. This is a unisex fragrance, but you can wear this as a man because there's other elements that are going on with it that makes it, lean. To me, it's a unisex fragrance, but this is leaning more male in my opinion. But I'm picking up that mango. Maybe a little bit of woods, but not much. I think I'm getting some musk. It's fresh, it's fruity. I can't really tell what I'm smelling now, but that mango does not go away. We just gotta go on skin. And then we gotta look at the notes. Only thing I can smell right now is mango, musk. It has a slight bit of earthiness to it, not much, but it has a slight, and I think that's what makes it kind of lean in that masculine, because I don't really know if there's a lot of feminine fragrances that have like an earthiness to it or earthy undertone. I might be wrong. But it has, and as it dries down, it kind of gets the mango gets a lot softer. So yeah, let's go on skin with this. See what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's look up some notes. Let's look up some notes, man. Let's go down here. There's a lot of shit. Okay, so we got mango, grapefruit, lemon, ginger, jasmine, cedarwood. I knew there was a woody note to it. Violet, woodsy notes, benzoin, ambergris, oak moss. See, that's that earthiness. That's that earthiness that I'm picking up, the oak moss. Off the skin. By this point, if I start laughing, it's incredible. You definitely get lemon. Now I'm getting lemon. Okay, I see where the lemon's coming from. I thought that was just like a super juicy, tart mango that I was smelling, but it's mango and lemon. Okay, I don't get ginger though. I don't get ginger. Like I said, I get the woody notes. It says jasmine and violet, but I don't really get that. And yeah, just that, I get that. I guess you can say I get amber. But definitely woods, definitely that oak moss, but it's not a strong, pungent oak moss. It just lays down under the surface to where, like I said, it kind of makes the fragrance lean more in a masculine direction, although I would consider this to be a unisex fragrance. Yeah, this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. I will be wearing this. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but I will be wearing this. I wouldn't say that this would be like an everyday fragrance for me. This is definitely stepping out or just want to smell good today or something like that, but definitely stepping out. You can wear this running errands and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know if it would be cloying, like the sweetness would be too cloying in the heat, but it's worth a shot nonetheless. Yeah, let's look at the longevity, but my rating on this real quick, Atomizer's a 3-4. It's the typical opulent atomizer. You know what? I'm gonna do a whole opulent series. I'm gonna just do all the ones that I have. But standard opulent, atomizer. I just wish that these companies at this point would just do pressurized atomizers. Spend the extra $1 or $2 to make the pressure atomizer, bro. Like, it's the best thing smoking. But atomizer 3-4. Fragrance 8.5 actually. Yeah, this is an 8.5 fragrance out the gate. I don't know about the longevity yet, but we can go down and find out what the people saying if you got a little more time. So longevity is moderate to long lasting. A few votes for eternal. Sillage is moderate to strong. Okay. And yeah, unisex. And it seems that it's kind of in the air between more female or more male. I would say that this leans more male. As it dries down though, I'm picking up more of just the sweetness, so I can understand that. Yeah, this is good. This is really, really good. So the hype was real. Hype was real. So all in all, 8.5 fragrance scent profile, and 3 or 4 on the atomizer, but that's no big deal. And yeah, we did it. We got it. We put our hands on it. We did this together, y'all. So yeah, man, it's your homie, it's your cousin, it's your player partner, Standing Man, aka the Clone Collector, aka Stanley Smellgood Sr. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. But hey, do me a favor. Make sure you look good, make sure you smell good, and most of all, dog, make sure you feel good, man. That's it for me, y'all. I'm gone.